Hello everyone. So this is the session number 2 of penetration testing. In the session number first, we are seeing the all the queries, all the course content of penetration testing. Who can do this course? Okay, the course content, the installation process. Okay, everything. Okay, if you want to check out that video, then you can. Also from YouTube, you can go on YouTube, and from here you can search for the channel name. It is JNtech. Okay, so from here you can click on live, and from here you can check out the session number 1 of penetration testing. That is of 90 minutes. Okay, you can right click and you can view it. Read and watch it. So in this session, we will discuss everything about penetration testing, like how to start if you want to start a career in penetration testing, and how we can start, who can do this course, what is the basic requirements, system requirements, okay, opportunities, and course content, everything we discuss in this video. Okay, so you can go and watch it. Okay, before watching this video, or you can watch it after the session. So, and in that video, we have discussed about the basics of the website, like what is website, what is web pages, what is front end, back end, full stack. Okay, what is the server side, client side, etc., and technologies, etc. Okay, so you can go and watch this video, so that you can get an idea about like now from when they start. So go and watch from here. Okay. Now, so in this session, we will discuss like about penetration testing. Okay, this is session number 2, and in this video, we will discuss about Linux commands. That is the basics of the penetration testing. Okay, and second, we will discuss the information gathering tools. Okay, so basically, before that, let me show you the methodology of penetration testing. Okay, so we have a proper methodology of penetration testing. Okay, that is first data collection. Okay. Second, we have vulnerability assessment. Okay. Third, we have exploit. That is the actual exploit. Okay. And fourth, we have result, analysis, and report preparation. Okay. So we have like methodology of penetration testing, which is similar to the phases of hacking. So in this methodology, we have data collection, in which we collect data of a particular website, like whatever you are penetrating. So we collect data. Then we have vulnerability assessment. In this, we hunt for the bugs, or we find the bugs or the vulnerability or the loopholes inside a website or web applications. Then we have the actual exploit, in which we actually hack the system or compromise the system. Okay, and then we have result analysis, in which we analyze the result, like identify the risk level of the risk, like what is it medium, high, or low, or informative, etc. And then we will prepare the report, and the report should be in a like simple format, so that a non-technical person can easily understand it. Okay, so basically we have result analysis and then report preparation. Okay, these are the four steps of inside methodology of penetration testing. Okay, we have to follow this methodology for for starting the penetration testing, and we have to keep on following this methodology. This methodology will make the work simple. Okay, so we can start with the data collection. Okay, before that we will start with the Linux command. We will see some basics of the Linux, and then we move to data collection. That is information gathering tools. Okay, so let me show you. So open your Paradox machine. Okay. So let me put some commands. Okay, we will discuss the basic commands so that we can start with the information gathering tools easily. Okay, like we have CLI tools and then we have GUI tools. Okay, so for running the CLI tools inside Linux, we have to understand, we have to get familiar with the Linux command. Okay, so first we have pwd, then ls, cd space dot dot, clear, history, who am I? Okay, then we have help, and then we have man. Okay, so pwd means print working directory. Print working directory. Okay, second we have ls, that is list. Okay, so this will list all the files and all the folders inside a particular directory. Then we have cd. Cd means change directory. Okay, so this will change your directory. Okay, so that is we have change directory. Directory means folder. Okay, so this will change your directory. Means you can move from one folder to another with the help of cd command. Second, like fifth, we have cd. This will make you like move you one step backward. Okay, so this will take you one step back. Okay, that you see. Then we have clear command. This will clear your screen. This will clear your terminal screen. Okay. Then we have history. History means this will show you all the like commands previously typed command. Okay. So shows you previous commands. Okay. Then we have who and who am I. So this will show you the name of the user or account or your account. Okay, then we have who am I, which will be the same. Okay, so we can type. So this will we can copy it. Yeah. We have help. This will show you the help commands. Like this will show you all the arguments that you can apply with the commands. Same as we have man. Man means manual. Okay. So let's start. So first we have pwd. So open your terminal. Okay, from right click, you can open it. Okay. Yeah, we can full screen this and then zoom in from here. Okay, we can zoom in. Okay, we can zoom. No. From here you can type pwd, print working directory. So this will print your current working directory, means which way, like whichever you are in. So we are inside desktop. Okay. So this is pwd. Okay, now we have cd. Cd means this will move from one folder to another. So we have ls. So these are the folders and files inside my desktop. Okay, on my desktop. So if you want to move in like on any inside any folder, then we can type cd space name of your folder in which you want to move on. Okay, so we can move inside, let's say ghost drive. Okay, enter. Okay, you have to write the name as it is. Okay, so we are inside now ghost drive. You can see it from here or you can pwd. Okay, you can type here and you can see from here. Okay, so previously we are in desktop. Now we are in ghost drive. Okay. Then we have CD. So the CD means change directory. This will change your directory, current directory. Okay. And then the folder name in which you want to move on. Okay, move in. Then we have PWD. This will print your current working directory. Okay. Then we have CD space dot dot. This will move you one step backward. This will take you one step backward. And you can type PWD. So previously we are in ghost drive. Now we are in desktop. Okay. You can type again. Can clear the screen and then you can type PWD. CD space and dot dot again. LS. Sorry. PWD. Okay, now we are inside anonymous folder. You can type again cd space dot pwd. We are now inside home. Okay, so this will take you one step backward. Now, what if you want to move to again on your desktop? So we can type ls first. Now we want to move inside anonymous. cd anonymous. Enter. Okay, so here we are now inside anonymous folder. Clear the screen. Okay, now we can type pwd again. Now we can type ls here. So these are the files and folders inside my anonymous folder. Okay, now we want to move inside, let's say, documents. Okay, so we can clear the screen, cd and documents. Okay, so now we are inside documents. We can type pwd here. We are inside documents. Okay, you can type ls to check like the files and folders. Okay, so this is cd space dot and pwd. Okay, then we have clear. This will clear your screen as it clear. Okay, so this will clear a screen. Now we have another command, that is who will print your current working, sorry, your current user in which you are logged in. Okay, so we are as a anonymous user here. Okay, means the my account name. Okay, my system account name. Now we can type who's also the same. Sorry, who am I? It is also the same. Okay, now we can clear the screen. So this will print the name of your account. Okay, then we have history command. Okay, so this will like show you the history, okay, of your previous command. You can clear the screen. Now we have like help. So if you are new to any tool or if you are new to any command, so we can type help to check how to use this particular command and what is the need of this command or what is the use of this command or how to use it or how to use this with the arguments. Okay, so ls hyphen l. Suppose this is a command. Now this can be anything, your any command. Okay, if you want to take help, so you can type the command name or the tool name and then help. Okay, this is a very useful command in Linux. So we have these like description about ls. Ls means list. Okay, so you this will show you the definition. Okay, the use of the command, and then these are known as the arguments. This is argument, this is argument, argument. Okay, so these are the arguments. Now these are the arguments we can use with the commands. For example, we will use clear the screen. Okay, so we have two files. When you type hyphen ls, sorry, ls hyphen a. So hyphen a means this will show you the hidden files also. Okay, like all the files, all the folders. Okay, ls hyphen a. So we have only two files, no folders. Okay. Now we can type hyphen ls hyphen l. Okay, this will show you the permissions as well. Okay, so R means read, W means write. This is hyphen R read. Okay, this is like on the basis of the user's permission. Okay, in the day it was created, everything. Okay, so you can clear the screen. ls hyphen l. Okay, then we have, now if you want to use the A or L together, ls hyphen al. Okay, so this will show you all the like files, folders plus the permissions. Okay, so this is how you can use the arguments. Okay, and if you are new to any like command, sorry, you can clear the screen. If you are new to any like command or anything, you can type hyphen help to check out the arguments we can use with the commands, like or how to use the particular tool or how to use the commands. Okay, so these are the arguments. You can try. Okay, you can now clear the screen. Now, next we have man. Man means manual. So help and manual are like similar to each other, but manual will show you all like everything in detail. Man into your command ls or anything pwd etc. So we have this. You have to use your upper key or a down key to scroll up or to scroll down. Okay, we have l hyphen p. So these are the arguments. Okay, so this is the use of the man command. This will show you the all like everything of about commands in detail. Okay, we can press Q for exit. Okay, Q. We can type ls again. Sorry, ls. Okay, so these are the commands you can use, or the arguments you can use with the ls. So man will show you everything in detail. Okay, you have to use the upper key or down key for scrolling up and down. Okay, so scroll up, scroll down. Now we can press Q for exit to exit. Okay, clear the screen. So this is the use of these commands. Next we have mkdir, which is used to make directory. Second we have touch, which is used to create file. Okay. File. Okay. Then we have rm space hyphen rf. Okay. And name of your folder. This is to remove the folder. Okay. Then we have rm space your file name. This is for removing the file. Okay. This is for removing the. Okay. So let's try. First we are like inside documents. ls. Okay, you can clear this. Click ls. So we are inside documents. Now here we have two files, file one and test. Now what if you want to create a folder here, so we can type r mkdir, name of a folder. Say folder number one. Enter. ls. So folder number one has been created. If you want to check out ls hyphen al. So folder is a directory here. Okay. You can check it out here. D means directory or hyphen means or R means read. Okay, simple. Second, we can clear the screen. Now, then we have touch. Touch and name of your file. That is file.txt. Okay, ls. So file has been created. File and folder we have. Okay. So this is how you can create file and folder. Okay, so folder, mkdir and name of your folder. So we can mention folder underscore name. Sorry. Okay, same as touch space file underscore name. Okay. Now, if you want to create multiple folders together, then we can type ls. First, we have only folder number one. What if you want to create folder 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this? So mkdir and name of your folder. Mkdir. Let's say folder 2, folder 3, and folder 4. Okay. So we have all folders created together. Okay. Same for the file. We have only file and file one. So let's create file 2 tst, file 3 tst, and file 4.tst. Okay, so files and folders has been created. Okay, this is how you can create. Now, what about remove? If you want to remove, then we can type clear the screen. Now, for removing, we can type rm space hyphen rf. Remove folder. This is for removing the folder. Okay, so we can mention the name of your folder that you want to remove. So folder underscore one ls. And we can write this again. So folder one only. Okay, not underscore. So underscore one. Sorry, one. Okay, so ls. So folder one has been removed. Okay. Now same as if you want to remove the multiple folders, so we can type rm space hyphen rf, name of your folders. To folder 3, folder 4. Okay, so all the folders has been removed. Now, for the file, same rm space name of your file. Okay, remove file. So name of my file is file1.txt. Okay, now we type ls. So we have only 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5. So we don't have any file1.txt. Okay, same if you want to remove again, add one go, like 2.txt, file 3.txt, file 4.txt. Enter. Else. Okay, so all the files has been removed. Clear the screen. Else. So this is how you can remove or create folders and file. Okay. Then we have cat name of the file. So file underscore name. Okay. So same as we have to type here. Remove file underscore name. Sorry, this is for the folder. Okay. Folder underscore name. Same as file underscore name. Okay. You have to mention here as it is. Okay. Cat file name. File name that you want to read. This is for reading. Okay, so basically cat file name, this is for reading the content of the file. Echo, we have this echo, and whatever you type, hello world. Let's say hello world. So this will print as it is. Okay. Then we have echo. Let's say hello world. If you want to save this hello world into some file, so we can type here greater than sign and name of a file. File.txt. Oh. Okay. This is for writing the content inside file. Okay, we can try here. So clear the screen. Here we have that is cat else. So cat file.txt. Okay, so we don't have anything inside file. So let's try this. Open your documents from here. Okay. Documents. Okay. So we can type here something. We can type here hello. This is Paradise machine. Okay, like anything you can type. Okay, save it. Now here, open your terminal. Okay. Okay, now from here you can type cat file again. Okay, so this is for cat is for reading the content inside a file. Like whatever is written inside a file, you can read it. Okay, hello, this is Paradise machine. Okay, then we have echo. Echo. Hello. Okay, so this will print whatever you type as it is inside terminal. Okay. Now, if you want to save this somewhere, okay, so we can save it echo hello world in name of your file. Let's say my file name is, let's say parrot.txt ls. Okay, so we have this file parrot.txt, sorry, get, you can type, see when you type PARR, press tab. This will autocomplete. Okay, ls. So hello world. Okay. So instead of printing this hello world here, we are just writing this into a file. Okay. If you want to save it somewhere, you can save it. If you want to save it in like any previous file or any pre-existing file, we can also save it. Okay. So we can clear the screen. ls. Now, if you want to remove again, so remove, press tab for autocomplete. rs. Okay. So all the files has been removed. Okay. This is for if you want to read content or if you want to write something. Basically, whatever you type, for example, we'll type ls hyphen hyphen help. Okay. Now, if you want to save this whole content inside any file, this whole help arguments inside any file, you can type here ls hyphen help greater than set and help.txt. Okay. So clear the screen. So we have help.txt. In this help.txt, we have all the like help commands, all the arguments of the help of the ls commands. So we can type cat help.txt. And so these are the content inside this file. Okay. So even you can like clear the screen. So suppose you are typing any command. Okay, let's say you're typing man ls. If you want to save the changes, okay, if you want to store this manual of the ls into any file, or like if you're running any other command, you have to press hyphen, like greater than sign, name of your file. Let's say man.txt. Okay, we can save it ls. Okay, so we are man, so we can read this loud, man tst. Okay, so these are the content inside file. Okay, basically you can see from here also. Okay, so from here you can also check it out. Now, next we have forget. Okay, so we can write here. This is for printing anything. Okay, then we have echo file, echo hello world. Okay, so this is for saving your print statement into a file. Okay, so hello world and file. So basically, okay, so here we have hello world. So this will create a file in which you have this print statement. So this is our print statement. Okay, then next we have figlet. So figlet and name of your, like whatever you want to type, let's say hacking. Okay, so this will display the banner. Okay, not dot banner. This is banner. Okay, so we can type here figlet and hacking. Okay, so this is known as banner inside the programming. Sorry, inside Linux. Okay, so you will see these banners like everywhere when you are running any type of tool. Okay, for example, if you're running the harvester, if you're running any tool, you will see this. Okay, banners. So basically, Figlet is pre-installed in Parrot Kali Linux, but in ParrotOS we have to install it. Okay, so for installing the Figlet in the ParrotOS, we have to type apt get install in ParrotOS. Sorry, Figlet. Okay, enter. So this will install your Figlet. So we can type here, clear the screen. So we can type apt-get install Figlet. Okay. Now, see, it is showing some permission deny. Okay, that is the permission error. Okay, for installing any software, you need a root privileges. Basically, you are a normal user here, and a normal user has a have a limited privileges. Okay, so for installing anything, for running the higher level tools, okay, you need a authority permission, basically a root permission. Okay, so we can type, so we can use or we can gain this root permission by following three ways. Okay, two are permanent, sorry, two are temporary, and last one was is permanent. So basically, we can type here types of users, root. Okay, type here. Okay, command for root permission. Okay, so that we can run any tool, we can run anything, we can install anything for root permission. Okay, so basically we can type sudo and name of your whatever you want to do. Let's say apt get install Figlet. Okay, so here we are like installing Figlet or any other software, whatever you want to install. Okay, suppose you want to install Python, so we have to replace Figlet with Python. Okay, this is how you can install some of the softwares inside Linux. Okay, so apt install Figlet. Sudo means this will give you the root permission for this command only. Okay, for this command. If you want to run the apt get install again, if you want to download or if you want to install any other tool, then you have to type sudo again. So with each and every command, if that command need a root permission, then you have to put sudo before it. Okay, so we can type here sudo. Okay, so we can just clear the screen, or we can just type sudo and command, that is apt-get install and infuglet. Okay, and so this will install your figlet here. Okay, that is already installing my system. Okay, this is how you can use sudo. Another way is for using taking the root permission is sudo su. Okay, enter. So now here we are a root user. Just temporary root user. Like when you close this or when you close this, and if you want to open the terminal again, then from here, now we are again as an anonymous user. Okay, you can see from here, we are again an anonymous user. So let's on this. Okay, then we have another one that is okay. So after this, now for the permanent root user, basically this is only for the temporary. Okay, for this is only for the temporary. Now, what if you want to become a permanent user, root user? Okay, so that you don't need to type sudo so again and again. So basically, we can open the links here. Okay, now from here, you have to click on system. Okay, from here, click on control center. Okay, control center. Now click on login window here. Type your user password. That is anonymous password. Okay, wait for it. So basically from here, click on settings. Sorry, users. Now here you have to enable this allow manual login. Okay, click on enable it. Okay. After enabling, click on cross. Click on cross. Okay. And you can restart your machine. Okay. Please restart your machine after enabling the allow manual login. Okay. Now you have to click on system, log out anonymous. Okay. So basically, let me restart it. Okay. So after enabling the annual manual, sorry, suspended. Wait, can power this on? Okay. Now you click on power on. So after click on enabling allow manual login, you can click on allow manual login. Okay. So it is very important to restart your machine after enabling the allow manual login. Okay. So wait for it to start. Okay, now from here you can click on login. Okay, from here. Now you have to type username. Okay, so type your username, that is root. Okay, and click on enter. And then password. So password is like 12345. Okay, or any password that you have set. Okay, so now this is 1 second. That is 123. Okay, type your root, username, and then password. Okay. Okay, so basically now here click on this terminal. Now here we are entered as a root user. Okay, now we can do anything inside my inside the system because now we are a root user, permanent root user. Okay, this is how you can become a root user. Okay, so we can switch again. Okay, I want to log out from this root user. Okay, let's log in as a normal user. Okay, now click on anonymous, your account name and the password. File that is. Okay, so basically, if you want to set your root password, then you can set it. Okay. So after enabling this and allow manual login, you can type sudo su. Okay. Password. Then you can type sudo root password. Enter. Sorry, sudo password root. Okay, password. Okay, then set your password of a root account. That is, set anything else. Okay, whatever you want to set. Now your password updates successfully. Okay, so after clicking on system control center, from here click on the login window from your password, that is of your anonymous password. Okay, now click on login window. Users. Okay, click on enable this. After that, set your password. Okay, sudo root password and sudo password root. Sorry, this is invalid command. So this is sudo password root. This is a valid command. Okay, so this is how you can set your password, and then you can click on logout from the click on restart your system, and then you can you can start as a root user. Okay, this is how you can change it. So we can click on zoom. So this is how you can become a permanent root user. Okay, so after that you can do anything inside a machine. Okay, as a root user you can do anything. Then we have move command and then rename command and then copy command. Okay, so we have root, rename, and move. So we can type MV, that is for the move. Okay, move your file from one place to another. Move your file name that you want to move. So this is your file name here, and the location where you want to move. Okay, location or path where you want to move your file. Okay, so we can path. So this is for moving your file from one. Okay, so basically this is for renaming the file. Okay, renaming. So we have two MV. MV for first for moving, second is for renaming. Okay. So renaming is if you want to change the name of your file. So this is for old file name and this is for the new file name. And then we have copy command. CP, your file name that you want to copy, and again the path where you want to copy. Okay, so basically your this is for copying. Copy the file. Okay, so here we can type from here. Okay, so we can type ls. So we are inside, we are on desktop. So let's move to documents. CD documents, ls. Sorry, documents. Clear the screen, ls. So now we are inside documents. Okay, if you want to move your file, let's say if you want to move your health file to another folder. Okay, so we can type move your file name that you want to move and location where you want to move. So let's say I want to move on desktop. So we can type like we can like either you can like type your location or you can copy location from here inside desktop. Okay, here you can click on copy. Okay, Control C for copy from here and Control Shift V inside your terminal. Okay, enter ls. So we don't have any help command here, like help file here. Now, if you check out your help file is on desktop, that is here. Okay, help.txt. This is like how you can move from one place to another. Okay, so help your any file name and location where you want to move. Okay, now if you want to copy, so cp and the file that you want to copy, that is let's say main.txt. Okay, I want to copy this file. Like now where you want to copy, so we can copy on desktop again or anywhere you want. Okay, but make sure you are like writing the whole path. Okay, and then desktop ls. So we have the main file here also because we are copying. Second, we have the main file here also. Okay, so you can see main and help both are here. Okay, so this is how you can copy and move. Now renaming, clear the screen. Now if you want to rename your file, let's say you want to name this test file. So mv name of your file that is test.txt, old file name. Okay, then new file name. Let's say file 00.txt. Okay, new file name basically. Okay, and now you can see we have file 00.txt. Previously we have this test. Now I have changed this file name from this to this. Okay, new file name. If you want to change this again, we can change it again. Okay, now your old file name that is file 00.txt. Now your new file name that is let's say test.txt. Okay. Ls. So we have changed the file name. Okay, and extension also. Okay, so this is how you can change the file name, and this is how you can move your file from one place to another. Okay, this is how you can move. Then we have date. Okay, date we have. Okay, second we have sudo date -s. S for set. Okay, if you want to set the date, you can set it. And the format is like 10, your date, month, okay, and your year. Okay, we can put any year. Okay, and then space, time of year. Okay, so we can put your hour, minute, and seconds. Okay, so you have to follow this format only if you want to change your time. Okay, so sudo for the root permission if you want to change time, or if you are a root user, then you can change it. You can like remove this sudo. Okay, so it depends whether you are a temporary root user or a permanent root user. Okay, so date, your month, your year, and your time. Okay, so here we have the hour, minutes, and seconds. Okay, so we can try this as well. So date. So this is our date and time. Okay, if you want to change it, so we can change like date -s. We have to put date -s. Okay, set time is like 10 Jan 2027. Okay, we can put any sort of time. And okay, so we have updated the date. When you type date again, so see we have 10 January this one. Okay, from this to this. So this is how we can change the date. Clear the screen. Now another command we have time date ctl. Okay, time date ctl. So this will show you the commands in the time command in detail. So time date ctl. Okay, so this will show you the local time, universal time, time zone, etc. Okay, if you want to change the reason of your if you want to change your reason from one location to another, so you can change it. You can type here, you can type the sudo for the root permission. Okay, you can remove this hyphen set underscore so hyphen time zone. Okay, and time is we can put Isha. Okay, and then okay, so this is how you can change your time zone. So we can copy this command. Okay, so inside Control Shift V. Okay, so we can change the time zone. Okay, you can mention your time zone here. I'm just taking that time zone only. Okay, so now we can clear the screen. So this is how you can change your time zone. Okay, then we have some processes commands. So first we have the PS, we have PS AUX, and we have top. Okay, and then we have kill. Okay, so PS for processes. Okay, so PS. So this will show you the foreground processes. Then we have the PS AUX. So this will show you the processes in detail. Okay, like all the processes in the background. Okay. Now, but we have top command. This will show you the live processes. Okay, live. And you have to use the down key or upper key for scrolling up and down. Okay, so you can type up and down. Okay, so this is the live processes. And you can press Q for exit. Okay, clear the screen here. Okay, so first we have to show processes. These commands will show the processes. Okay, now we'll show you the detailed processes, like the live processes. Okay, and kill PID, this is for killing the processes. If you are stuck with some softwares or some tool or any browser, so you can kill the like uh, task from CMD. Okay, from the command. So we have this doc here. Okay, now you can run the application internet in Firefox. Okay, internet Firefox. Okay, okay. So suppose you want to remove this Firefox from here. Okay, so you can if you want to kill the Firefox process, or if you want to remove this Firefox, so we can use the command for that. Okay, so we have to note the Firefox PID. That is process ID. Okay, so you can see from here the Firefox PID is 2537. Okay, so the Firefox PID is again 2537. Okay, so we can mention here 2537 any PID number, that is 2537. Okay, now we can kill. Okay, let me show you. So we have this 2537. Okay, so clear the screen. Or we can press Q first, clear the screen. Now kill hyphen PID 2537. Okay, and see, here's a browser. Okay, let me now when you click on enter, so this will remove your Firefox. This will close your Firefox. Okay, so you can click the PID from here also. Okay, for the Windows, if you like, if some software is stuck. Okay, so for the Windows, we use the task manager. So, but for the Linux, we can use this command for killing any process. Okay, if it stuck anywhere. Okay, it can be a tool, it can be like browser, it can be anything. So you can kill it from here. Okay, now if you again check top, so we don't have any Firefox here. Okay, running. You can press. Okay, then press Q for exit, clear the screen. Okay, so these are the processes commands. So basic processes commands. Okay. Next, we have the update command. If you want to update your Parados or Kali Linux or any Linux, then you can type sudo apt update. This is for the this will update only the all like from upper side. Okay, like from the all only the important packages. Okay. Then we have apt that is for the full upgrade. Sudo okay apt update ampersand apt hyphen y upgrade enter. Okay, so this will upgrade your full Kali Linux or Parados, whatever you are running inside your system. So control shift. Okay, so this will upgrade your services like each and every packages, tools, softwares, everything. Okay, so this will take time. So I am pressing Control C for terminating this. Okay, so now we can clear the screen. So it is a good practice to keep on updating your Parados or Kali Linux if it's running for the security purpose. Okay, for the security measures, we have to keep the Parados or all the tools, security tools, okay, attacking tools updated. Okay, so this is for the basics update, and this is for the if you want to upgrade full. Okay, like fully upgrade. Okay, now next we have head and tail command. Okay, so basically head and tail command is used for, let me show you. Suppose there's a file of, you have 5 lines of file. Okay, suppose you have 100 lines of file. Let's say 100 lines of file. Okay, in that file you have 100 lines. And if you want to print only first 5 lines of that file, so we can use head. Okay, so this will print first 5 lines. Okay. So this will print last lines, and this will head will print top lines, or tail will print like the last lines. Okay, and if you specify the numbers like how many lines you want to print, then you can also specify it. Okay, so we can we can find out one file ls we have. Okay, so we will use the word list for that. Okay, for testing purpose we will use word list. So we can open the folder. Okay, from here click on file system. Okay, from here you can click on the user here. Okay, now from here. Okay, now so from here click on the word list. Okay, we have it is word list. We have full right here. Word list. Okay, so here we can search all. Okay, you can type word list here. Okay, and enter. So this will open the word list. We can click on the here. from we will read this file small.txt. Okay, so in this file we have around 9,959 lines. Okay, and what if you want to read only first 5 lines or of your document or your last 5 lines or any number of lines that you want, you can use head and tail. Okay, so copy your path from here, minimize this. Okay, copy your path from here, Control C, and then from here, head, Control Shift V. Okay, and then name of your file, that is small.txt. Okay, so this will print only the top 10 lines. Okay, spaces also count, and then clear the screen. Now, same with the tail, paste your path, same name of your file, that is small.txt. Okay, so this will print last lines. Okay, if you want to check out from here, you can check it. Okay, so basically here, no. Okay, these are the top lines. Okay, like bottom lines. Now, if you want to specify the number of lines that you want, suppose you want only 5 lines, then you can mention here -5. Enter. So this way display only first 5 rows. Okay. Same as the tail here, -5 or 6, you can mention, or any number of lines you want. Okay. So -5. So this will print bottom lines. Okay, you can now clear the screen. So this is how you can print the number of lines if your document is lengthy. Okay. So let me close this. Yeah. Okay. So these are some of the basics commands. Okay. That we had seen. So you can practice these commands. Okay. Then now we will see some information gathering tools. Okay. So we will start with the methodology of penetration testing. That is data collection. So data collection is like information gathering. Okay, in which we will gather each and every information, all the important information. Okay. So we can start with the information gathering. Okay, tools. So we will discuss the information gathering tools of the website. Okay, so first we will see the weblaser. Second, we will see the word web. Then we will see the showdown. Then we will see the census. Then we will see the net graph. Okay. Then we will see the only the basic commands. Okay, like the basic, we will see the OSINT for that. Okay. Then we'll see the okay, let's try this one, then we'll move forward. Okay, so webalizer. So basically website is made up of technologies. So inside website we have website is like web page is like combination of audios, videos, text, links, etc. And web pages is like combination of web pages. Sorry, websites are like combination of web pages. Okay, like one or more web pages are known as website. So website is made up of two part, that is front end and back end. Okay, so we have front end and then we have back end. Okay, so front end is also known as the client side. Okay. Basically, whatever is happening on the client PC is known as client side. Okay, and then we have server side. So whatever is happening on the server side, it is server side. Okay, so basically front end is like designing part. Suppose this is a website. Here you can see a YouTube web page. So this is a web page. So here this is known as the web page, and this is the front end, like the designing part, like the colors, the images, the font, everything is a designing. So here front end is like designing part. Okay. Second, like backend is like about logical part. Okay. So it is of logical building. Okay. It is a logical part. Okay, design is like which color to choose, which alignment, which font, which images. Okay, from we like where we have to place the UI UX. All is a part of the front end. Okay, now backend is like logical part. Like suppose you are making a payment in any website. Okay, you are logging in any website, you are filling a form, your form is like submitting or storing inside a database. That is all the part of the backend. Okay, so here we have backend and front end. Okay, now we have the technologies for the front end and for the backend. Okay, so we have technologies. So for the front end, we have the languages like HTML5, okay, which is the latest version of HTML, CSS3, okay, and then JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript is also known as ES6. Okay, so and we also use the Red JS. We also use the that Bootstrap. We also use jQuery for the designing part and many more. Okay, like CSS, we use many technologies, but these are the basic ones. Okay, now for the backend part, we usually use the PHP with Laravel or with Firebase, or we use SQL as a language, as a database language, and MySQL or another or database for the website. Like we can use MySQL, we can use Oracle, we can use like any database, we can use NoSQL. So either we can use the relational or non-relational. That we will see. Okay, what is it in the MySQL injection? Sorry, SQL injection. Okay, so we have the PHP, SQL, MySQL. Okay, basically we also use Java as a backend language, or we can use Python with Django. Okay, as a backend language. Okay, so basically we can use any of these. We can use PHP either or Java, or we can use Python with Django. Any one of these. Okay, and then basically SQL MySQL is permanent, like fixed. If you are storing the user data somewhere, okay, so we have to store inside our database. Okay, so these are the technologies of the logical, like of the backend. We have many more technologies. Okay, like we have PHP, we have Laravel, we have Firebase, we have Node.js, like libraries, frameworks of the JS library that we use. Okay, so now we have to identify that which website is using which technology. That your target website is using which technology. Okay, like whether it is using HTML, CSS, that is mandatory. Okay, apart from these, like basics one, what kind of library or what kind of technologies my website or my target website is using. So we have to identify that. Okay, and for that we will use Webalizer in WordWeb. Okay, so Webalizer is a information gathering tool. Okay, which is like free of cost. So it is information. So this will gather information. Okay, so this will gather information of the website technologies. Okay, and this is a browser extension. Okay, so we will add this as an extension. Okay, then secondly, we have WordWeb, which is okay. So basically, WordWeb is like same as gather information of a website technologies, but this is only a Linux tool. Okay, so this is a Linux tool. Okay, so we are replacing WordWeb. So we can use it. Okay, so open your browser here. Okay, so let me put it now. Yeah. Now from here we can search for the web browser extension for Chrome or for like whatever browser you are using, whatever you are using. So this web browser is available for the for the Chrome, for the Firefox, for the Edge, for the Brave, etc. Okay, so now you click on chrome.google.com. Okay, now from here you can click on add to Chrome from here. Okay, add to Chrome. After adding, we can click on this web icon. Okay, this will show you all the technologies. So first visit any website. We can visit Wireshark website. Okay, so this will show you the technologies. Okay, so 13 technologies identified. So as a security, Wireshark is using HSKs. For the font scripts, the Wireshark is using the Google Font API or Font Awesome. Okay. So basically it is using HTML. Okay, GQD, the version is this one. Okay, and Bootstrap, the version is this one. Okay, etc. So these are the information we have collected from the with the help of web placer tool. Now, what is the use of this information? What we can do with the technologies? Okay, so basically, suppose you are you want to hack any website. Okay, and that website is using, let's say your that website is using PHP 2 version. Okay, 2 point something 2.2 version. Just an example. Suppose your website is using the website that you want to compromise or that you want to hack, it is using PHP 2.2. Okay, that is the older version. Okay, then you have searched for the newest version of the PHP. Okay, so the newest version of the PHP is of PHP is, so you have searched for, now you started searching for the newest version. You have searched for the latest version of PHP. Okay, so it is 8.2. Okay. And your website that you want to hack is using 2.2. So you can, so this is obviously a older version. But newest version of PHP is, that is 8 point something, that is 8.2.0. Okay, so this is the newest version of PHP. Now here you can easily identify that your website PHP, the website that you want to hack is using 2.2 PHP as an older version, and the latest version of the PHP is 8.2.0. So in this way you can ensure that maybe this 2.2 is vulnerable to some kind of vulnerability, some bug. Okay, so you can exploit this vulnerability. Okay, this is how you can find the loopholes of vulnerabilities. Okay. Now, what web is a language tool which is also used for scanning for the technologies of a website is made up of. Okay. Okay, and then your target IP address or URL. So we will copy the URL here. Okay. Okay, so this is the information we have collected from the what web. Okay, what web, this IP address. Okay, the country where the server is hosted. Okay, the HTTP server, redirection location, etc. Okay, and then we have country US, HTTP server, IP range. Okay, and then we have gather this. This is the target of the website. Okay, etc. So here from here you can check out the technologies from which your website is made up of. Okay, so that we can make use of this technologies with the help of experts. Okay, now third we have Shodan. Shodan is also extension. Basically, it is an extension, it is a website, but we will use extension this time. Okay, you can click on extension. Okay, so you can again search for the extension. Okay, minimize this. You can here click on 1 second. Here we can click on the extension. Okay, let me just search for the extension for the Shodan extension. Okay, enter. So select your here you can click on the Shodan. Okay, for Chrome. So we can click on for Chrome. Here, click on the Shodan icon. Click on add to Chrome. After adding, you can go to any website and click on the Shodan. So the Shodan will show you the IP address, the host name, the country, the city where the server is located in the organization, and the open port, some of the open ports. So this will give you very little information, but very useful information. Okay, so the IP address we have found, the host names, the country where the server is located, like etc. Okay, so this is the use of the showdown. Second, we have like fourth we have sorry, we have census. Census is also is a website basically. Okay, so we can type website. Okay, so census is also a very wonderful website. Okay, so we can search for the census from here. Okay, so census. Yes. Click on the census search from here. Okay, now search for your target. Okay, like whoever is your target. So we can search for the JNtech. Okay, you can like search for any website. Okay, so we can like paste the IP address. We can copy the IP address from here and then we can paste here. Okay, now here click on search. Okay, try it on only on your website. Sorry, it will permission for. Okay, so from where you have found like every information about it, like website, the cloud. Okay, the line, the OS running on your cloud server, network information, routing, etc. FTP, other information. Okay, HTTPS information. Okay, TLS information, everything. So census is also a very powerful tool. From here, you can find everything. Now, we can search for any website. You can go for the Vashik. Okay. Or we can search for any other website. Okay. So here we can type the IP address. Please. Okay. So this is the information you get from the HTTP from the Vashik website. Okay. The Cloudflare is a network. Okay. The protocols, etc. The 443 STD information. Okay. So you can click on the aspect to check like other details. Okay. And as well, you can see the whole data. So, okay. Okay. So please log in inside this website. It is a very like secure website. Okay. So we can click on Google data. So here you can check out everything. Okay. So here we have the every detail of a website, the IP address, the where your server is located. Okay. And Cloudflare net as a network. Okay. DNS, these are the domain name systems. Okay. Then we have like okay, so from here you can find census. Okay. Next we have the netgraph. It is also a website. It is also an extension. So we will use this as an extension. Basically, netgraph is used to like detect whether a page is a phishing page or not. Okay, so this is used to identify whether it is a phishing attack or not. Okay, so we will use this as an extension. So you can search for the netgraph. So this will prepare the report of a particular website extension for Chrome. Okay, you can click on Chrome.google. From here, you can click on add to Chrome. Okay, so from here, you can add it. We can visit any website. Let's say we can visit Vasha. Okay, click on Netcraft. So this will show you whether a web page is a phishing attack or phishing web page or not. Okay. So you can see or check the risk rating where if the risk rating is like 1, 2, 3 or up to 10, we have a like score of up to 10. Okay. So this will show you. And if if it is a like phishing page, so this will block that graph will block your page. Okay. So we can click on site report from here. So yes, we can check out the site like report of your web page of your website. Okay. Right. Okay. So wait for it. So this is okay. In info rating, we have the site title, rank. Okay, description not present. Okay, first scene risk rating. So this is not a like phishing page. it is a legit page. Okay, primary language. Okay, inside net blocker, everything. Okay, the IPv4, IPv6. Okay, and then etc. So from here you can gather the networking or domain information. Okay, and the hosting histories. Okay, you will see the graphical representation of all the data. Okay, in the form of pie charts, etc. You can see the server side technologies. You can see the client side technology, that is JavaScript. You can see the client side frameworks, that is jQuery, Font Awesome, or Bootstrap, etc. And we have the Cloudflare as a CDN. Okay, encoding. Okay, so this is show you the all technology that a website is using in detail. So you can go for the netgraph also. After that, we have it is OSINT. Okay, OSINT is a framework. Basically, it is a website, but we call it a framework. Okay, so we can search for the OSINT. Okay, now click on the OSINT framework.com. From here, you can see now OSINT is a hub of all the tools. Basically, we can come to this website and you can click on usernames. Okay, so you have many multiple websites, multiple tools you can make use of code. So it's like a framework or it is like a spot of all other tools. Okay, so you can find each and every tools from here. Okay, so we have more enumeration too. We have IP addresses tools. Okay, we have DNS tools. We can search for the um who's records. Okay, so for the who's records, we have these tools, websites or GitHub tools. So it is a combination of all other tools. Okay, so we can click on let's test this. So we can check for the usernames. Okay, search engines. So we can click on the name checker. Okay, click on this. Some are working, some are not working. So it depends. Okay, so we have to enter your brand name. So we can enter any name. Okay, so we can go for JNtech Networks. Okay, so we can search our brand name. Okay, so I think we have to put this in. So JNtech. Okay, enter. Sorry, spelling is wrong. Okay, JNtech. Okay, so Twitter, Meetup, Vimo.co, these have found. Okay, it's like this in the proper form, JNtech Networks. Okay, click on enter. So you can click on Twitter is found.net, Twitter no. Okay, and then these are the YouTube we have found. Okay, the generic etc. Load more. This is keep on checking. Okay, etc. So we can click on close. Okay, you can go for this, explore this. Okay, we can go for other tools also. Okay, so it is not necessary to look for every tool, but explore the tools from here also. Okay, then maybe in future we will use it. Okay. So here we can click on the videos, images, and docs. So this is like also have a whole lot of tools, so we can use it. Okay, for the mobile emulation, we have Android. For the Android, we have this emulation tools. For the emulation, we have these further tools. Okay, for the dark web, we have for the digital currency, we have for the encoding, decoding, we have tools. We have malicious file analysis. If you want to analyze a malicious file, okay, we have this okay tools. We have this pcaps file, etc. Okay, for the training, we have this one. For the documentation, we have this one. Okay, so here you can explore this OSIT framework. Okay, so it is a collection of all other tools. So we can make use of this in the future. So make sure you just practice these most of the tools. Okay, just explore it, explore the websites, explore the tools. Okay, GitHub tools, etc. Okay, go through it. So this is all about the information gathering tools as well as the commands. Okay, the Linux commands, some basics, some advanced, as well as some information gathering tools. Okay, so in the next session, we will see some more information gathering tools and we will see the advanced tools as well. Okay, so basically, we will see multiple tools in the entire session, in the upcoming sessions. Okay, because we don't like we cannot like rely on single tool. Okay, we have to keep on using the multiple tools. Okay, for the better reliability, for the better information. Okay, for the quality or the like quality of the information that depends. Okay, so that we'll see in the upcoming sessions. Okay, now if you want to check out the website, then you can, or if you want to check out the video, then you can visit the YouTube channel. Okay, so from here you can search the channel name. It is G2J. So if you want to check out the videos, okay, of this EH of the previous session, then you can click on live. You can check it out from here. Okay, right click on. From here you can check it out. Secondly, if you want to visit the website, you can visit the website from here. Okay, so from here you can click on the website. Right click on it. Okay, so from here, if you want to see the, or if you want to check the course content of any of the course, you can click on any of the course. Okay. Okay, so you can visit the demo classes. You can like watch the demo classes. You can like find out every information, like the upcoming batches information, the fee structure, the course duration. Okay, and if you have any inquiry, you can call on this number. Okay, you can call either you can mail or you can like WhatsApp, or you can fill the inquiry form and click on submit. Okay, so in the upcoming sessions, we will see the other tools like other advanced tools.